tell me about EC Auto Repair. Tell me how long you've been here and what attracted you to our organization and how you've grown through the company.
So EC Auto Repair is a local automotive company owned by a nice family. I've been working here for about 3 years, going on 3 years now. What first brought me into it is I used to work in a tire shop back in New Mexico, of course. I actually interviewed to be a technician. Boy, did I underestimate how much it takes to be a technician. But I got involved, and I remember a key phrase that you used with me in the interview. And I believe this was right after I broke my toe as well. But you're like, well, I like the way you talk. And I was like, okay. And I was like, that's kind of a weird statement when I'm trying to work in the back. And then I remember asking, well, what do I wear? Do I need to show up with jeans, steel toes, normal? He's like, no, how about you wear a polo? And we're gonna put you up front, and we're gonna have you help out with the parts, be our parts manager, and help run as a backup service advisor. So that's really how it all began. And then once I got into the numbers and watched how the business worked and getting to interact with our wonderful customers that we have, I mean, it's just like a pool of knowledge for me. And just seeing to make people happy and take care of them and see how much it means to provide customer service, that's what really drew me to keep working at EC Auto Repair. Not only that, I mean, we just train consistently, and again, like I said, I'm all about the knowledge. So that's why I'm still here. 3 years later, I am the manager now, so that's awesome. And I see so much growth in the company and in myself and my family to help keep propelling us forward. So,
Okay, very awesome. How many people's on your team now?
so we're up to about 10 of our team members. We have me, a service advisor, parts manager. We're now up to 5 technicians, a GS, and a shop hand. And they're awesome. They're some of the best people we have.